Okay, so this also applies to shifted and stretched exponential functions. Exponential function is never zero. You know, your basic exponential function is never zero, right? And you know that from the graph and from everything we've done. So it doesn't, going through zero isn't an option. But if you shift it down a little bit, even a tiny bit, it will go through zero. Okay? Make sense? So it applies to shifted and stretched exponential functions. Not every one, you know, the exponential function can certainly stay above the axis, right? So it's not relevant, but it can go below. Okay, or it can flip over, and be raised, whatever. It doesn't apply to the 1 over x function. Which does go from negative to positive x, as x goes from negative to positive. But it's never zero. Okay? So store that away. That's going to come up again in a minute. Make sense? Okay? It doesn't apply because it changes sign at a point where it's what? It's undefined. And hopefully now, y'all seem to understand this function. I kind of emphasize these functions on the practice test and the test. Okay? And the domain and stuff, it doesn't include zero. So that this kind of statement would be a little easier to understand. Okay, well, let's go back to the problem at hand.